Welcome to Tech, AI, and Beyond. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the foundations and applications of the Internet of Things.
In this 10-episode series, we will uncover the transformative power of Internet of Things, from its core concepts to its real-world applications. By the end of this series, you will understand the architecture of Internet of Things, learn about the technologies and protocols that support it, and gain practical skills in hardware and software integration.
We'll start with the basics in Episode 1, where we introduce the Internet of Things. We'll explore its definition, evolution, and the key components that make up Internet of Things systems. You'll learn about the differences between Internet of Things, M2M, and cyber-physical systems, and we'll discuss real-world examples like smart homes, smart cities, healthcare, and agriculture.
In Episode 2, we dive into Internet of Things architecture and design principles. We'll cover the multi-layered architecture of Internet of Things, including the 3-layer and extended 5-layer architectures. You'll learn about system design approaches, the Internet of Things development lifecycle, and the challenges in Internet of Things design.
Episode 3 focuses on the hardware components of Internet of Things. We'll explore various types of sensors, actuators, and microcontrollers like Arduino, ESP32, and Raspberry Pi. You'll understand the differences between analog and digital signals and learn how to interface sensors and controllers.
Communication is key in Internet of Things, and in Episode 4, we'll delve into the communication protocols that enable devices to talk to each other. We'll cover short-range and long-range protocols, IP-based protocols, and different network topologies. You'll learn how to select the right protocol for various use cases.
Episode 5 discusses Internet of Things, platforms, and cloud integration. We'll provide an overview of cloud service models and popular Internet of Things platforms like AWS Internet of Things, Google Cloud Internet of Things, and Azure Internet of Things. You'll learn about data ingestion, processing, storage, and real-time and batch analytics.
Episode 6 explores edge computing and fog in Internet of Things. We'll discuss the benefits of edge processing, real-time decision-making, and use cases in industrial automation and healthcare. You'll also get an introduction to Edge AI.
Data analytics and visualization are crucial in Internet of Things. And in Episode 7, we'll cover time series data, data filtering, smoothing, outlier detection, and visualization tools like Grafana and Power BI. We'll also introduce you to machine learning in Internet of Things.
Security and privacy are paramount in Internet of Things, and in Episode 8, we will discuss common threats, vulnerabilities, encryption methods, and authentication and authorization mechanisms. You'll also learn about blockchain for Internet of Things security.
And Episode 9, we'll explore real-world applications and case studies of Internet of Things. We'll discuss smart homes, smart grids, smart agriculture, healthcare, logistics, and environment monitoring. We'll also look at ethical considerations in Internet of Things deployment.
Finally, in Episode 10, we'll reflect on the future trends of Internet of Things. We'll discuss trends like 6G and Internet of Things, artificial intelligence of things, digital twins, and sustainable Internet of Things. You'll also learn about careers and research areas in Internet of Things.
So join us on this thrilling journey through the world of Internet of Things. Whether you're a student, tech enthusiast, or just curious about the technologies that power our daily lives, this series is for you.
Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. This is Tech, AI, and Beyond, and we've got a lot to unpack.
Thank you, and see you next time.